Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Instagram that you are unable to send message for 3 days. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search here in Play Store, that is Instagram. Okay, and you can see that you are using the latest version or not. If you are not using, then you need to update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to open the settings of your smartphone. So let me open the settings of my smartphone. Click on settings, and here you need to go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Instagram. Okay, then you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and hopefully your issue will be resolved. But your issue is there, you simply need to open Instagram, click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, then you need to click on three bars, and then you need to click on settings, and here you need to scroll down and click on help and click on report a problem and click on go back and learn how to report a yourself. So you can click on that and okay, click on report a problem. Okay, here you need to enter a screenshot and explain that I am unable to send message to my friends, help me resolving this issue, and then you need to click on next, and your issue will be reported to the Instagram team. Click on send report. Once you've done that, then the Instagram team will contact with you in 7 days and help you resolve your issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.